That was a prank they all did. It was funny.
Part A. Yeah,
Wow.
Hustle.
Aw, you're so cute.
No, he just wants your food.
Can you come home with me?
Never.
Hi. Whipped cream and sandwich.
Go home?
Oh my God.
For a second, I thought you were staying there for a
Wait, where'd Haley go? Haley.
Where are you at? Right here?
Lizzie, you didn't pick up
What?
your phone.
Incriminating.
What phone?
Your phone. Your cell phone.
Oh,
My internal organ.
yeah.
It was Joy's.
Oh.
Here.
Hello.
Why did everybody get quiet?
Is that you can say you're going to kill me?
858?
I can't tell you you're going to kill me a lot. Oh, that's in 1 grade.
That's very
What
nice.
is this?
No. Stay
Hi, Lizzie. How are you doing?
here. Good.
I have a beard now. Remember on track when I didn't have a beard, but I had a back beard.
Oh.
Remember the back beard?
Yeah.
Back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. What? You're still manly, though. Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. Yes.
Fine.
Okay.
No.
Ah, no! No! No!
Stop it! You see your stuff. Why would you use your stuff?
Yeah.
Hamburger. Fine. Pick up Joyce, and then we'll head back. How pretty.
Does this look like a hand?
What the hell is
It's a
that?
cloud, man.
Ricky. Really? Oh my gosh. Okay, hurry, we gotta leave Isha!